Welcome back to WCDC Art. For this simple and super cute holly leaf garland, you'll need the holly leaf template found in the video description below. You'll also need tacky glue, scissors, tape, string, and a pencil, as well as red pom-poms and green construction paper in light green and dark green. The first step after downloading and printing out the template is to cut out the leaf image. Then we're going to take a piece of our green construction paper and trace that image onto that paper. You should be able to fit at least 2 of the leaf shapes on your piece of paper. Our next step now is to cut out our shapes on our green paper. And you can trace and cut out as many leaf shapes as you want, and you can alternate between the light green and dark green paper. So now we're going to try to give our leaves some dimension. So to do that, I'm going to take a leaf and fold it lengthwise. So I'm going to fold it where it is the longest. Next, I'm going to try to add in some leaf veins in here. So from one of the short points to the center line we just folded, I'm going to try to fold in a diagonal line. And I'm going to do that on all of the points on all of my leaves. Now it's time to group our leaves together in sets of 3. So you can choose how you want these placed and positioned. I'm going to do a lighter green in the background center and then 2 darker greens on the outside. So when you have that figured out, we're just going to take our tacky glue and glue the top leaves in place. And I'm going to do that same thing for the rest of my leaves. So groups of 3, gluing them in place. When our leaves are glued in place, we can then use our tacky glue to glue on red pom-poms to the bottom of our leaves. So once all of our glue has dried, we are going to add our leaves to the string. So we're going to take one of our sets of leaves and position it on the string first to kind of see where we want it, and then take clear tape and flip it all over so we can get to the back of the leaves and the string. And then we're just going to tape the string in place onto the back of our leaves. Then we're going to do the same thing with another set of leaves, but leaving a little bit of space between the first set and the second set. You can add all of the leaves you made onto the string and then hang it on your mantle or doorway and get ready for the holiday festivities. Happy holidays, and thanks for watching WCDC Art.